from the team Sparrow, and this is Feature Friday. So where we unpack what's new, what's better, and what's built for developers like you. So let's dive in with the first question. Can you please introduce yourself and the project you're working on?
Hi, I am a developer of a Sparrow team. I worked on the AI part. So basically, we'll build products and AI-powered solutions for the developers and users.
Okay, great, got it. So let's move on to the second question. Can you give us a quick overview of the feature that we're discussing today?
So see, the feature that we are discussing today is AI Copilot feature. So basically, whenever any developer face any issue or any errors, so any 400 errors basically. So there is one button comes like Help Me Debug button, where developer can click on that button and the AI can suggest you the changes. AI can give you the response of that error, like why this particular error comes and the inline suggestions of that errors.
Okay, that was amazing. So can you please provide us insights around what problem does this feature solve for our users?
So debugging is a very frustrating task. Many developers faces issue in debugging the particular API errors. Developers has to surf the internet or go through the documentation to solve that error. So to solve that issue, we have come up with this feature, that AI Copilot feature, where the developer can get their solutions very easily.
Okay, this was an amazing idea. I would say that. So let's move on to the next question. What was the one thing that you learned or enjoyed while working on this feature?
Yeah, I really enjoyed the part of the inline feature. So basically, in inline feature, the AI suggests the changes in the code base only, and where developer can accept the changes or reject the changes. So that part I like the most.
Okay, got it. So this is our last question. Are there any improvements or iterations already planned?
Yes, we are working on some cool upgrades like showing patterns in errors, letting user create their own files, and optimizing the AI responses and making the AI more robust and good.
Okay, so this was amazing. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to explore Sparrow. Thank you.